Okay, today we are going to check how to install Siyuan. It's an open source platform, privacy friendly, self-hosted, note-taking and personal knowledge management app. And when we talk about the core features, knowledge management, it is going to create and organize structured notes, and block-based editing, it is going to edit notes using block level structures and linking and references. It is allowing us to link notes and blocks together. And when we see about additional features, it's allowing search, like search notes and content blocks, and cross-platform clients. It is going to allow access notes from multiple devices, and self-hosted deployment. We can run the node system in our own infrastructure. Okay, then let's see how it can be deployed. First, I'm going to look at the root. So first, I'm going to install the required dependencies. I will post all the commands we have to use in this video and post that link into the description. Now I am going to add the Docker official GPG key, and then I am adding Docker repo and updating the repo. Update. After updating, we are going to install Docker and Compose plugin. Yes.
It is being installed. That's it.
Okay, now let's check Docker version. Okay, Docker Compose version. Okay, now Docker Compose is being installed, and we can enable and start Docker. Enable and start the service, right? Let me start the service. Docker. Okay. It is running. It's because I had Docker installed, and before this session I uninstalled the Docker. That's why. Okay, now our Docker service is running, and let's deploy our Siyuan platform, right? Let me create a folder directory. Okay, I am going to use I am going to create all the files in this directory. Okay, let me create a directory structure in OPT, Siyuan and workspace. Okay, now let me change the ownership. PT Siyuan workspace. Okay. Docker compose. Let me create the Docker compose file. Let me create the Docker compose file in here, and vi docker compose dot yaml. Okay, Docker compose. The directory path we created, right? Okay, what we are going to do is docker compose up. Let's say it. When asserts, this is saying that now the version is no needed in the file. Even like in the docker compose file, we applied the version, right? That's why it is saying this warning. It is not an error. You can remove the version in the docker compose file and run the command docker compose ps. Then we can see whether they are running or not, right? Let's down this docker compose. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, since there's an error, not an error, warning, I'm going to remove this versioning line, and then docker compose up. Okay, now okay, you can see now the warning is gone, and you can see our container is running, right? Now what we have to do is we have to check it in the browse our localhost IP, and the port is 6806, right? When you are trying to log in, it is asking for access auth code, right? Docker compose file here, this is the access auth code, so you have to change this, right? When we give the access code, then it is allowing us to log into the system. So you can check the user guide. So there is a app also.